Ecom Profit Sniper. Take action. Create your own online business today.
All from less than 20 minutes of working each morning. Very soon you can see your bank balance skyrocket just like mine has. In the live demonstration that you were about to see, you'll quickly realize how all this works, how much money you can make, and just how easy it is to get started. But first let me explain why Shopify is the golden ticket you've been searching for. You see, Shopify gives you the ability to reach hundreds of millions of people from all around the world. There are billions of dollars to be made using this website, but only a handful of people are using it. That's why some entrepreneurs are becoming super wealthy while the rest are left out in the cold. Currently over $500,000 in Shopify transactions occur in a single minute, and the money-making potential of this site is growing rapidly. In the second quarter of 2017, Shopify total revenue was an incredible $151.7 million, which was a 75% increase from the comparable quarter in 2016. In fact, Shopify issues in 175 countries by more than 1.2 million active customers, and just a few big businesses dominate that captive audience. But it doesn't have to be this way. Anyone can make money with Shopify, it's just nobody knows about it. That's why just a few powerful companies take the majority of the profits. But with my help, I'll show you how you can start making huge profit from Shopify today. You don't have to wait a year to become established. You don't have to wait 6 months to set up. You don't even have to wait a few days to figure out what you're doing. With the Ecom Profit Sniper you can start making huge profits immediately. And here's the thing. Because getting started on Shopify alone can be a long and arduous process. It can take weeks, even months, before you see any profit at all. And those big returns could be several years down the line. But with Ecom Profit Sniper, setup is quick, simple, and you can see your profits soaring from day one. That's because I've been using Shopify for more than 2 years, and I have decades of experience as an online marketing professional, so I know how to help you get started and get started fast. Because I know that right now you're probably wondering, where do I get started? What products should I sell? How will customers find my store? Do I know enough about internet marketing to make this work? Who can I ask if I have questions? Well, none of those concerns will be important when you're using Ecom Profit Sniper.
Please click the link in the description to watch the full video online for free.